How to edit photos on NanoBanana.AI. First of all, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the NanoBanana.AI website. Make sure you are logged in with your account to access the AI editor features. Once you are on the website, click on Start Editing. Here you will see two options, Image Edit and Text to Image. To edit your photos, select the Image Edit option. Next, click on the Add Image button to upload the photo you want to edit. You can select images from your device and multiple files can usually be uploaded depending on your project needs. After uploading your image, use the main prompt option to describe how you want the photo to be edited. You can provide detailed instructions to adjust colors, add effect, or modify elements in the image. Once you have entered your prompt, click on the Generate Now button and wait for the AI to process your request. Your edited photo will appear as the output ready for download or further use. Now you know how to edit photos on NanoBanana.ai. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.